Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving deep into Photoshop and exploring how to create a stunning glass effect. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. So, let's get into Photoshop and see how it's done. Grab the text tool from the toolbar and type your text. Increase its size and type. Press Ctrl or Command plus A to bring it to the center. Now, let's import our background image. Go to Edit, Copy and paste it in the document. Press Ctrl or Command T and adjust it. Bring it below the text layer. Now, right-click on the text layer and choose Blending options. Click on Bevel and Emboss. Change the style to Inner Bevel and adjust the depth, size and soften amount. Change the altitude to 39 and change the gloss contour graph as per your image. Now change the highlight mode to screen and opacity to 75. And change the shadow mode to multiply and its opacity to 100. Now here, click on Contour. Choose the graph. Change the range to around 40. Now let's select Inner Glow. Change the blend mode to overlay and its opacity to 9. Keep its technique to softer and adjust its stroke and size value. Change the contour graph, its range and jitter value as per your requirement. Hit OK. As you can see, the effect is not visible yet. To do so, change the fill amount all the way to 0. And here we have our effect being applied. You can further play with the settings as per your requirement. Hit OK when you are satisfied. And there you have it, a stunning glass effect created in Photoshop. This technique can be applied to various elements in your designs, from simple shape to complex objects. So, do try this out, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.